Welcome to the My Two Good Hands videos on the redo of our hall bath. So we're going to show you how to do tile, we're going to show you how to do the hardboard, remove a sink, install a sink, remove a toilet, install a toilet, remove a door, install a door, cut off the door, do baseboard and trim. Stay tuned, watch the whole series. Each video is broke up on the channel. We'll catch you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We'll catch you in the next video. We're in a little bitty room. We're in the hall bathroom. So hey, sit back and relax. We're going to show you how we're going to make over the entire bathroom. But let me show you what we're going to do. First, second, third, fourth. So you know what's going on. And you can decide which videos you want to watch and what you want to learn about. So stay tuned. So then we're going to cut rock board. We're going to put rock board on the floor. And we're going to put that new style tile right there and replace the old inexpensive vinyl that's down there now and go to a nice. So here we are with the bathroom remodel. You can see we started painting the wall, cutting in the walls. What we did do is we measured the entire room here and laid out our backer boards. So we're going to go outside. We're going to cut those because you don't want to cut them in the house. You don't want to breathe the dust, so we're going to use a saber saw because it makes very little dust on this. So let's go outside and lay these out for the tile. So this is our board here. And what we're going to do is lay this out just like what we had inside. We can see that we got some marks here. How far we want things up, how far we want them over, and what have you. So we know we got to take this corner off 3 inches. So we did both of our corner notches there that we're going to cut out. We've got our hole for our vent and how much we have to trim off the edge of the first piece. So we're going to set up the saber saw. We'll be back. So for our vent, it's right up by the edge here. Going to drill some holes in the corners. You can see this stuff drills pretty easy. Now we're done with our drill because it's the only hole we got to make. We do have to make some by the toilet, but that'll be different layout. So here we're going to make some more cuts. It's got that cut out. I turn this board around. Kind of got to be careful with this stuff. It's not that durable. There we go. We can take this piece inside and fit it. So here you can see how it fits. They say leave a little between the walls. We did. See, we got our opening there. Now we're going to double measure this spot, make sure we're going to cut the right size, and then we'll measure this one and cut this one. When we get it all down, we'll bring you back before we mortar it. So back on the bathroom project here, you can see we cut all the pieces of rock board. We already got that one screwed in place. You can see the screws there. Now what we're going to do is pick this piece up. It's not that easy to pick up when they're on like this, but small room, I recommend you cut them all and dry fit them all before you start gluing them down. In this case, we take this one out. We'll make sure that this surface is relatively got junk off of it. We're going to come in here, we're going to vacuum this real good. Because you got to look, you got some spots here. Got some stuff on the floor still from the old tile. So first thing you're going to do is come in and see if you got big sticking out like this. Also want to watch for any nails that might be sticking up like this one. This one here's a nail sticking up. I'll drive that down. So it looks like we got everything here. I think we just broke a real big piece of this stuff loose right here. So throw that out. But we're going to drive those nails down, clean this up, vacuum it out. So mixing our mortar, we got a little bit of water here. Got very hot water. All right, it's hot water. We got a little cup. Dig out the mortar because you don't want to make a lot of dust here. Open this up a little bit more. So we know for the piece of board we're doing, we need this almost full mixed mortar. So we'll put several cups in here. And then we'll mix it in good. And we'll add some more. That'll be a good start there. A little water on top. At this point, I don't have to worry about too much water because, like I said, I'm going to mix more in there. There you can see the consistency I have here. It still hangs on the stick. You want to stir it till you get all the crusties out. Get those out. Time to take it inside, spread it on the floor. I'll stir it a little more to make sure it's ready to flow. You guys want to set up pretty quick. Quarter by quarter notch trowel, quarter by quarter. And what we're going to do is just start spilling this out. You put out too much, don't worry, you can pick this up. Now you take your straight edge of your trowel and kind of lay it down. Lay this down everywhere you can go. Once you get it kind of spread out, you can come in with your trowel with the quarter by quarters. Do that. You get a big lump here, you can, whoop, you don't drop it there. You put it back in the bucket. If you find you got a spot where you missed a little, you can go back and put some in there. Between every coat, we're going to wash this. Now, take your board, get it in there. Kind of drop it in there. You can see it kind of gets sliding around a little. If it's kind of hooked, you can push it with your trowel or a putty knife. Like here, I don't have it centered very well, so. Okay, so now you got it down. You know, these spots on there. You can step on it and you kind of feel it move down. But here's the beauty. See these X's? That's where they want you to put the screws. So we're going to dump out some screws. And we're going to go ahead and put our screws in. And you just want to sit these below flush. Don't want to leave these stickers on. Hold on. So there we go. We're going to go prepare the last section here, then we'll come back and show you how to tape them. Welcome to the My Two Good Hands videos on the redo of our hall bath. So we're going to show you how to do tile, we're going to show you how to do the hardboard, remove a sink, install a sink, remove a toilet, install a toilet, remove a door, install a door, cut off the door, do baseboard and trim. Stay tuned, watch the whole series. Each video is broke up on the channel. We'll catch you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We'll catch you in the next video.